To write a note with S Pen when the screen is off on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that screen off memos option is on. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features, tap S Pen, and then tap the gray on off switch next to screen off memos until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, turn off the screen. Next, remove your S Pen from your phone. Now you can write a new note while the screen is off without you have to unlock your phone first. While you are using screen off memos, you are provided with some options like change the pen color, adjust your pen thickness, use eraser to erase your handwriting, and pin the note on the always on display for easier access. Once you are done writing, you can tap save button to save your note. Given to the function, you can enable and use screen off memos feature to help you easily write a new note without you have to unlock your phone first. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.